All right, good morning, good day, good night, good afternoon, whenever you're watching. Y'all, I'm hitting y'all with a video for something I love. Y'all know I'm a coffee diva. And if you follow me on IG, which y'all should, over at Sneikothediva, y'all saw me posted about this in Aldi. It's a single serve espresso maker by Ambiano. And it's compatible to the espresso capsule. So it's the single serve. So unlike the Nespresso virtual, the virtual latte, the latteism one, or the virtual 1300, anything like that, it will be more of that single serve Nespresso style. And I slept on it all night and I was like, oh, I don't see nothing about it. No reviews, not even on YouTube, y'all. And 3 people sent me the Reddit links over on IG. I said, when I go tomorrow, if it's there, I'm getting it. And I did. So what we're going to do is I'm going to read the instructions and clean the reservoir tank. And we're going to set it up. And in the morning, y'all going to drink with me. So I have it out the box. It's not black. It's actually navy. And I try to go with a teal and rose gold theme. But how dare I complain at $17? But I just realized these wake up and smell the coffee that I got hanging on my cabinets. It matches. So yeah, and I'll decorate around it with rose gold. But let's get it cleaned up. So I was reading the instructions on the initial clean. Y'all, that's important for all appliances. I see people don't do that. And I did that because I didn't know if I needed to descale it with vinegar and water like they do the Keurig or the descaling solution. But it says here, just connect the plug to the outlet, press the buttons, and flash once, and the appliance will switch into standby mode. Remove the water tank from the housing. Okay. And once you do that, open the water tank lid, fill with water with the clean, fresh water on B, close the tank, replace the water head, blah, blah, blah. So it's just basic standards. So it's calling for no certain special things. So let me put it where I think I want this on my counter. All right, sorry about the pause, but over here in Coffee Cafe, I hate visible cords. So this, and I have to get used to utilizing things you have versus going out spending money. So this is going to sit here to kind of block the cord with my French press and my frother. But I thought this was, okay, so this is where the capsules come out at, right? And then you push that in. And we put this here and we're about to go in standby mode for cleaning. So it's flashing. It's now in standby mode. That's what it says. And let's see. Okay. It's giving its own clean out. And something else I noticed too by reading, instructions are important. Reading is fundamental, y'all. Kind of on the loud side, but it pours good. Ooh, and it's hot. Okay, and this is the clean out. So it actually clarifies to run that process 2 to 3 times. I did it 3 times. You all, and I just did this for clean out. See how this cup don't fit because this is for espresso. And like I said, reading is fundamental. You pull this out for your smaller, your shorter shots. However, my flat Starbucks mug fit under it just, good. I use this a lot. And let's see about the one I use all the time. So this is a no. So I would probably have to do my shots in a smaller glass. And then, because I want to do shaken espressos anyway. So this is what we be rocking with in the morning. And I'll see y'all when I make my drink. Oh, and if I didn't mention, this is the reservoir where the capsule goes. And as you can see, it's steaming hot down there. And you just flip it closed. All right. So good morning. I have my brown sugar in a jar. We're going to do the shaken espresso over there. And I know oat milk is on trend for this, but I love unsweetened almond milk. And y'all know I'm extra. I gotta bring it all the way through. And some brown sugar oatmeal as well. So I'm going to eat this and then get my drink popping. All right. So I have my capsule in. And I got some 3-ounce shot cups on order from Amazon. For your shorter shots, your ristretto is going to be the smallest shot, and then espresso general, I guess. That's the bigger, that's the 2 ounce. And then 3 ounce for the large. I want this kind of strong, so I'm going to go 2 capsules because I'm going to basically do like a quad shot. So when I lift the cap up for my next shot, I heard it drop back there. So yeah, it got some of the same features as Nespresso. We're going to go larger on this one. It's kind of loud, but you can see it does foam up, like coming out, versus where you don't have to use the frother. But I probably will anyway, just for some extra jazz. So I added 2 pumps of the hazelnut syrup. The brown sugar and the espresso is shaken in this jar, and it, you know, it got cold instantly. Let's pour it over, add the almond milk, and taste test. Now, first of all, the espresso is espressoing. Look how it's layered up. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. So just like your Nespresso machines, it gives the instant foam where you don't have to add extra froth. I was going to do so, and I got something in there, but seeing that I don't need to, it is what it is. Hold on. This is the Divas Cafe. We got to add a little razzle. If you don't follow me on IG, then you wouldn't know I'm extra, but I am. So far, the review on the machine, y'all, it didn't drag the espresso. You know, it came out in one full shot. It didn't seem like it was stuttering. It was lagging. This one, I'm going to have to follow up on this machine every couple of months to let y'all know if the espresso is espressoing. So now this has me thinking, how many great appliances from Ambiano that we have passed on just simply because we don't know the brand. Now, I'm very skeptical, y'all. I told y'all that. But for $17, if Ambiano keeps getting marked down at Aldi like that, and I can walk out with drinks like this, and my Starbucks pods, this is a pack of 10, on sale at the grocery store this week for $7.99. Plus, y'all know I coupon. Yeah, I'm about that budget bougie life, and this tea is amazing. We'll see y'all on the next video.